Hey there. So, imagine you're working on your ASP.NET Core application, and you come across a little problem. You've created a class named Home without the conventional controller suffix. The question niggling at you is whether this naming convention is absolutely necessary, or if there are any repercussions for not following it. You set up your routing in the startup.cs file, and everything seems to be functioning smoothly for now. But you still want to be sure about the implications of not adhering to the usual naming practice. Now, let's delve into the solution for this issue. According to ASP.NET Core guidelines, a class doesn't need to have the controller's suffix to function as a controller. As long as the class name ends with controller, inherits from a class with that suffix, or has the controller attribute applied, it can serve as a controller. So, in your case, not using the suffix isn't causing any problems because the conditions for a class to be recognized as a controller are being met. However, it's recommended to stick to the conventional naming to make navigating through your solution easier in the long run. In summary, fret not about not having the controller suffix in your class name. ASP.NET Core is smart enough to recognize your class as a controller based on the specified conditions. Just keep in mind the guidelines to ensure a smoother development experience. And with that, we wrap up this video. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!